Hello, in today's video I will show you how to change templates on Wix. So let's get started. When you're on Wix website and in your editor of your website, maybe when you finished your website, you will not like your template. So you want to change it, and that's the part that we cannot do. If you want a new template, that you chose in the beginning, you need to make another site with another template so you can change it. We cannot basically change the template by itself. So if you don't like it and your site is already done, you can try to go to site design and change your themes. By changing themes, you have many versions of them. You can change like warm or something else, like some bohemian. You can change the look of the site, the themes, the colors, and of course you can change the page background, and you can change the page transitions. So you can make a few templates of the same template that you like a bit more or much more. So you save yourself time and everything else, so that you don't need to copy the same website on another template. You can try this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick information and tutorial video how to change a template on Wix with themes. So if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you need something else, we have many tutorials on our channel how to do something. You can check it out. And I hope I see you in the next one, and goodbye.